Good morning, everybody. We are running late.
Good morning.
Where are you at? There you are.
We're trying to act very chill and like all is well. And we're like, hurry, we gotta go. So we're headed to work. Devin's
Also heading to work.
Also headed to work. And we have plans for today. We'll see how they work out. We've got a lot of coordinating to do with our one car and two jobs. But when we get off today, we're hoping to go throw the kayaks in the water and see how that is. We're excited, but
yeah, we even got two kayaks to do it with.
What? See you on the river.
The river. Intro while we're waiting for Mom. She always says, we need to hurry. All I do is wait. Anyways, so later today we're going kayaking. Hopefully that's a lot of fun. We'll talk later about, what it's like kayaking in that type of river. Because right now it's the season Alaska has. Oh, there she is. Hurry up! Alaska has a season called Breakup, which is where all the snow melts and everything. So the more snow that melts, the faster the water runs. So maybe the water will be faster than normal. And we'll just let you know how it is, what it's like, and yep. She gotta go find her shoes now. Alright. We'll see you during work or after work when we're kayaking. Bye, Mom. There's no way you could know this, but it is the next day. I'm editing the video together and I realized there was no outro. So, and I did say we'd tell you how the kayaking was. Well, that was a lot of stinking fun. The river wasn't fast at all. It was like floating down a lazy river, but cold. Really, really cold. Like someone put a bunch of ice in that river before we got in. And anyways, Ma, she might not tell you, but she fell in as before she even got in the boat. She fell in the river, trying to get into the kayak. It was warm when we started, but really cold and windy when we finished. Dang, dude, you got a lot of hair on you. Really cold when we finished, and I was freezing, and she was freezing too. She had, fallen in. But that's my opinions. I had a lot of fun, and Ma got a bunch of clips for y'all. And that's what y'all saw in the video. Mostly hers. I couldn't get my phone out. I was too new to that kayak, and every time I stopped, I would just turn, and if I got my phone out to look at the map for even a second, I was going backwards down the river. So, but I had fun, and that's all that matters, I guess.
Hey everybody, it is Friday night and I'm on call. Hey, and I work tomorrow, so hello weekend. We're looking forward to Mimi and Pop coming and Daily, and so we're getting excited about that. I got to clean house, even though we've only been here for 2 weeks. I need to clean because of this young fella right there and all of his fur. Devin and I went kayaking yesterday, and I can't even hold my phone up because my arms are killing me. We were gonna go, what is said on the map, like 1.5 hours to 2.5 hours, and so we go, oh well, it'll probably take us 1.5 hours because we're young and healthy. But we ended up being on the water for over 2 hours and went about 8 to 10 miles, somewhere in there. It felt like about 40 miles. I was not quite prepared for my first kayaking trip to be that long, but it was fun. It was beautiful. We enjoyed it. I enjoyed the water, especially since I fell in it getting into my kayak. So that's the way we started the kayak trip. Thankfully, Devin did not get that on video. I was a bit distracted because there was a man there talking to me about all the different kinds of ducks, and I was trying to get away, but in my haste I fell out of my boat and into the water, face plant. So picture that. I'm sure you can have a good laugh thinking about that experience for me. And hey, you guys would love it here. Come on. I really wish that my friend Victoria would come on out here with her kayaks. We'll rent you one out here. No problems. Come on. We'll get on the water. I know you like to kayak and you probably need a vacay anyway. So, hey, love you guys. Y'all come see us. Talk to you soon. Bye.